Hello there. When you open up the box with the Patiolink pedal inserts, you might find a rubber welded seal strip. Looks like something like this one. Usually it's stick on the box from the top of the box with the tape. So just strip it off, and where does it go? If you want to close your sliding door right now with the pedal already installed, as you can see, you can't go all the way as you did before because you've got the pedal insert here. So obviously your doors are not closing all the way up to here, which causes, so you might have a gap in that section. You might have a very tiny gap, so some wind may come through. So all you need to do, it's a double-sided tape in the back of the rubber welded seal strip, so you have to peel it off, as you can see right now, and that weather seal goes on your sliding door from the back. So as we said, take off that cover of the double-sided tape, and you have to put that rubber seal just on your sliding door, and just keep really tiny small gap here between the rubber and the glass. If you don't have a gap, once you open the sliding door, the rubber will be rubbering with the glass, so that will be too noisy for you. So just put it from the very top. I already got a sample here, so that's why I started here. So go from all the way from the top, nearly touching the glass, and all the way to the bottom, and make it nice, so you won't have a draft coming in through that gap.